Riwruok matayo sikunde kata jopuonje ma sikunde kata riwruok matayo jopuonje ma sikunde ma primary KNUT okwedo dwaro ma jopuonj ma sikunde ma secondary madundo kata JSS mar wuok e riwruok mar KNUT kendo chung' kar kendgi. Jotelogo mag KNUT e romo margi ma higa ka higa owacho ni pogo jopuonjego e riwruogno biro kelo songa e kinde ma indiko sikunde. Kamano bende gikwayo ni mondo chenro ma thieth e okumba ma SHA mondo mi oket kare e sama winjruok gi KNUT e chiwo okumbano chiegni chopo giko mare ma dwe manyien. Kamano bende gikwayo chudo mapiyo ne jopuonje mabiro nono penj ma KPSEA gi KJSEA.
Go ahead in the sand and say all is well. It is true we had challenges with KNUT. It is true we had challenges with the KNUT. But through our own structures, we were able to overcome some of them. Sasa kuna SHA. KNUT may have had its own challenges, but I want to believe it was better. It was better. Wale wanasema autonomy, sijui ni autonomy ya aina gani. You know, you must also understand the legal issues. What is the structure? What is the system of education in Kenya? Do we have anything like autonomy?
The issue of autonomy is a dream because in one school we cannot have two schools. The registration certificate is one. The head of institution is one. And one who has the qualification is only one. A C2 cannot be appointed to head a school.
We are going to invigilate the exam. We shall mark. We shall combine lists and take to Nairobi. It will be very unfair after we have done this. At the end of the day, we are told there is no money.